The Blackmagic Cinema Pocket 4K is an amazing tool and has become my daily driver for this YouTube channel. I enjoy being able to work in RAW, and Blackmagic has opened a window to creators in a field that was once reserved to premium configurations. You will be able to find many reviews about video quality of this camera on YouTube and many things you need to know if you consider buying it. But today I want to address a topic rather uncommon regarding this camera, which is the sound quality of the built-in microphones. This is Gilles for Real Sound Reviews. I only found two videos which speak about audio abilities of a Blackmagic 4K. One by Curtis Judd is very precise and focus a lot on technical test, while the other by Arbor Barkage focus more on sound field recording. Both did a great work, but today I want to try something different, test the camera on a musician point of view. Making sound recording with these camera microphones, like you would do with standard microphone in a sound recording setup, to put it clear. Imagine you want to make a shot of a musician playing without taking a bunch of gear. Or simply this is something unpredicted and you need to record this instantly, right on the spot. It raises the question about the quality of internal microphones. Before making some tests, I want to focus your attention on the versatility of this camera when it comes to audio recording. For example, you can have one of the two stereo channels using XLR Input and the other 3.5 input line. It opens a wide range of possibility, like having a shotgun microphone on an instrument with an external amplifier also, and another microphone using the XLR Input, for example. You can also use the built-in microphone in mono, maybe it's a combination of a two stereo channel, or left or right, and an external source on the other channel. For a sound engineer, it can be great to mix the presence of a dynamic microphone and the hairiness of a more distant source. The XLR Preamp includes a phantom power, and this is a very good preamp. I'm using it right now, and I find time saving to avoid synchro in post-production with an external recorder. I try to use it to record a guitar amp with an Electro Voice RE20. Let's listen to it. When you hear such a sound quality, the only thing you start to find missing is a second XLR mic input. And now Blackmagic has done it, but only on the 6K Pro version. Thumbs up. To compare the built-in microphones of the Blackmagic, we will use what I hold to be a very good standard of recording. The Neumann KM 184 with a Nagra 6, which is a hell of a recorder. I put this stereo with a 90-degree angle above the camera and recorded different type of instrument. A right cymbal, one acoustic guitar, a Glockenspiel and a flute. But let's not forget we are talking about camera's microphone. They have to be used in a realistic situation with a clear field of view. But I wanted to test them also in their own right, especially with the right cymbal, having a closer sound take not taking into account the view of the camera, so we can have a comprehensive test of the real quality comparing to what we would do with standard microphones like the Neumann, for example. Let's test now. Just a little pause in this test to let you know that you can download the recordings in full resolution if you join me on Patreon and consider give us support. I don't want you to depend on YouTube audio codec only, and this channel can only grow with your support, guys. We can hear that the Neumann have more body, their sound is full with a higher density. But still, results of a Blackmagic are great. They have a great sound quality, precise with a nice hairiness. Even if you won't match the Neumann, this stands the comparison, which is quite unexpected, and a good EQ could try to fill in the gap. We have to raise one limit which is problematic and structural. If the sound source is low, it could compete with a background noise which comes from the built-in fans inside the camera itself. Gerald and Don noticed this even more on the Blackmagic 6K, like there is a little hiss remaining constantly in the background. Far from being a disaster, this is a limit, and you can keep this in mind if what you need to record is a quiet, silent atmosphere. Let's record now and hear this particular noise coming from the camera. If you focused on the flute recording, you can hear that in the background when my wife makes a pose remains this noise coming from the fans. I'm not sure this is a sound that can be clear by plugin, and as you understood with a Blackintosh video, that's not exactly what I aim for. Let's also keep in mind that a pair of Neumann is about the same price as the whole Blackmagic. So if we compare the price, I think this camera is doing really well. The fact is, you can also find these microphones on the Blackmagic 6K and 6K Pro. This conclusion confirms the overall premium quality of this gear, not only focusing on the quality of the image and video. So, as always, guys, a huge thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this. Are you using the built-in microphone for this same kind of usage? Please consider subscribing if you did not already, and I hope to see you on this channel very soon.